Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn how to change Windows wallpaper. Without wasting time, let's start this video. You can see here is my wallpaper. I'm going to change this wallpaper. So go to the folder. Go to the location where your image or photo is there. I'm going to minimize this folder so I can see the changes. Here I choose a photo and I'm going to set this as wallpaper. I'm giving you an example. For me, it is not working. Let's try it. It doesn't work. I'm going to refresh. Let's try again. Let's try again. I'm choosing another photo. Here is the photo. Let's try. Click it. Okay, it doesn't work. Let's solve this problem. Here, first of all, you need to go to the right corner. Find settings. Go to the settings. And you will find options in the fourth place, the personalizations. Click there. As you can see, here are some options. Here are some colors for the background. We will not try this. Here is the window background. Here are some photos. You can sense the background from here. Let's browse a photo. Let's choose a photo. I am choosing a photo. Here, the problem is solved. You can sense the wallpaper going to the settings. You will have a problem changing from the folder. You can go to this settings and change the wallpaper. And now I will teach you the shortcut. Go to the screen, click the mouse, right click, go to personalizations. Here will come out the settings. It is the shortcut. And here you can choose the photo that you want to keep in the background. There is no problem. I will keep this wallpaper. So it is done. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.